Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a ChatGPT account. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important detail. Like and subscribe. Now just a quick tip, if you would like to get ChatGPT for a much cheaper or better price, simply scroll down to see the first link in the description or the first link in the pinned comment section below where it's going to send you to Gamsgo. This is a website I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and it basically shares your account with other people under the same subscription, just like one big family. It's very secure, and as you can see, ChatGPT is right here. When you click purchase now, it will show you the subscription options, and you can get 3 months for the low price of 17.5 euros rather than 60. And you can go and click I have a promotion code and write the code GUMMY, which will give you an extra 5% off to give you the best price possible. Now, if you would like to sign up for ChatGPT as traditional account, then simply search it on Google and then click on the first link right here where it's going to say introducing ChatGPT. Click on try ChatGPT right here, and then you're going to click on accept all and then sign up for a free account on the top right. Now from here, you're going to add your email address that you would like to sign up with, and then you're going to add on it the password of your choice. Once that is done, you're going to check your inbox because they sent you a verification code that you're going to enter right here to your email address. Once you enter the code, click on continue, and then it will ask you for your full name, and then from here, add all the details such as your birthday, and there you go, now you're officially here. It's going to ask you what you're going to use it for, so you can customize it, but you can do that later, and then from here it's going to tell you, nice to meet you, here's a quick tour, and everything is settled, and then you can skip the tour if you want to go in, and you're going to set all set, and then enable for any ChatGPT memory use, and there you go. Now, in case you would like to get the subscription, you can use Gamsgo for a much cheaper price, or simply click on Get Plus, where it will show you that the original price, 23 euros a month, is right here for you to get. All you have to do is click on it, and then fill in your payment information on the next page, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.